In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Weebly website. If you need to clean up your navigation or remove an outdated section, deleting a page in Weebly is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the entire process, explain what you'll see along the way, and share a couple of pointers so you feel confident making the change. Start by opening your browser and going to Weebly.com. On the home page, click Log In. Sign in with your account credentials so you can access your sites and the editor. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where your websites are listed. From the dashboard, click the website you want to work on. This opens the site overview, where you'll find controls like Analytics, Settings, and Editing options. Next, click Edit Site to launch the Weebly editor. Give it a moment to load all your pages and design elements. At the top of the editor, look for the Pages tab. Click Pages to open the Page Manager. On the left side, you'll see a list of all the pages on your site, including standard pages and, if applicable, blog pages. This sidebar is where you'll choose which page to remove. Click on the page you want to delete to open its settings. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct one by checking the page name and any associated options shown on the right. This is a good moment to double-check, especially if the page contains important content you might need later. Now scroll to the bottom of the Page Settings panel and click Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the page will be removed from your site structure and will no longer appear in your navigation within the editor. One quick note. If the page you're trying to delete is set as your home page, you may need to make a different page the home page first before the delete option becomes available. Also, deleting a page removes it from your site's navigation and content layout in the editor, so make sure you've selected the right page before confirming. To make the change live, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Publishing updates your live site so visitors no longer see the deleted page in your menu or access its content. That's it. You've successfully removed a page from your Weebly site. If you're continuing to tidy up your site, repeat these steps for any additional pages you no longer need, and publish again when you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.